Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Today we came to Bangladesh and the scene you're seeing is of the hotel that I'm about to check in. So it was like I wanted to visit somewhere else also, so we came here. Now this is a hotel in Khulna. We can't, we will go to Dhaka actually, but it will be too much because we already traveled a lot, so it will be too much if we go straight to Dhaka. That's why we thought about staying in Khulna and then we'll go to Dhaka tomorrow. So this is how the hotel looks like. There are many plants decorated with. I did not check in yet. We're just outside and we have a lot of luggages. So they're just currently taking it out. This is how the hotel looks like from outside. We checked in and now we are going to visit some places because tomorrow we're gonna leave and then we're just not going to leave like that. We need to see some of the places. That's why we're going. Like, we asked someone to guide us through, take us to the famous places in here, and this is the hotel. This is where we came. I surely don't know which place it came, but there is a lake or river or something. I forgot, but there is something like that. So, and many people comes from the other side to this side using boats now. That's why I came to visit here. I mean, the uncle that was guiding us through, he said you should go. Yeah. There are some shops in here, like restaurants mostly. But everywhere there are trees. Here this is. See, there's so much people, lots of crowd. Everybody wants to go to that side, of the, what is your river maybe? That side of the river. There are many boats. And see, that boat just left off. This is the Khulna station. Most of the trains come here from India. Like, the passengers are from India to Khulna. They are coming. After that, we were so hungry that we came to this restaurant to take our lunch. Yeah, we did not eat our breakfast and also we did not took our dinner last time because we had flight at that time. Let's eat because I'm so hungry. We ordered a lot of bhartas, like we ordered brinjal bharta and then egg bharta, aloo bharta, and then prawn bharta and a lot, many more bhartas. My mom loves eating bhartas, that's why we ordered so many bhartas for her. and also many different types of fishes like hissa, and then many more. I don't know the name really, but we ordered a lot of fishes.
Oh, sorry.
After eating, this is the hotel. Now we are going to our room. This is our room. It must be a little messy, I'm sorry for that, but it was like we slept, we came and then we rested for some time, and then we went out to visit many places, so it's like pretty messy. Good morning. After that, I just rested in the hotel room, and this is the next morning. We came downstairs for breakfast. These are all the food that is, here. My Ammu is taking the food she wants to eat. She usually takes like this type of food only, like puris and dal. I did not eat dal. I did like the taste, and chicken. Yeah. She also likes toast in the morning. I also like to eat toast, but for my Bruno, she'll only eat the chicken and the puris. Banana, yeah. I also had one banana. Here are her toast, like I told you. Hi. Now we are going to Dhaka. That's why we are in the car. We will go. We are currently on our way. As you can see, we started our journey. Now we will only stop after reaching Dhaka. Look at it. The people are like sitting on top of the trucks and going. Yeah, I know. I told you that we'll stop after reaching Dhaka, but we were so hungry that we stopped at that store to buy some chips and all. And this This I'll tell you. This is the toll plaza, as you know, but that was the toll for the Setu. This road, like we forgot to take the clap, but it was so foggy, anyways, you couldn't see anything. This is that road. Yes, and one more time. I know I said that we'll stop after reaching the Goli, but it was almost lunchtime and we did not reach. So we stopped in this restaurant to eat something. Yep, I'm so hungry. The restaurant name is Hilsa. That's a fish name. Yeah. And the restaurant is shaped in a fish shape. If you can see, that was the tail, that is the body. And this is how it looks like. We're gonna go inside. Videography was not allowed, that's why we could not take much of the video inside the restaurant, but this much only we could take because we asked their permission, and then at the last moment they said yes. We ordered hilsa, lobster and crab. I love eating lobsters, that's why we ordered lobster for me and hilsa for my ammu and crab for all of us. That's it for this video, and I hope you liked our video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, share our video, and I'll see you in our next video. Until then, bye bye, ma salama.